What is new in Notion 3.4? I'm here with James. We're going to go through the biggest updates that we've shipped in the last month. James, want to get us started here?
Yeah. We didn't think it was possible, but after years of R&D, we're finally ready to launch H4 headers.
Ha!
Anyways, jokes aside, we also launched something that is a really big deal, the new sidebar. It's one of the biggest visual redesigns we've done in a while, and you can opt in by clicking on your workspace name in the top left and then toggling on Try the new sidebar. This new sidebar has a dedicated place for home, for chats, meetings, and your inbox, so it's easier to navigate your workspace. I'm excited about this layout because it's a more natural way to interact with your agents and find past chats. And it's an experiment, so let us know what you think.
Next up, we have dashboards, which are a new type of database view in Notion. Dashboards let you pull together charts, tables, lists, and key metrics into a single control panel. It's a great way to give high-level visibility to those metrics that matter in your work. We also added a new type of chart made for dashboards called number charts. These let you highlight a key metric from a dashboard, like number of tickets closed this month, and they also follow conditional formatting if you want.
The next one's been a highly requested feature for AI meeting notes. You can now add custom instructions so your summaries come out exactly how you like. You can add details about your team to improve the accuracy of your summaries, or you can also shape the format and tone of your content.
So next up, we've got some custom agent improvements. We've been hard at work giving more options for how to reduce the cost of custom agent runs. They're now 35% cheaper to run with more improvements on the way. You can reduce costs even further by using one of the new models that we've added that uses up to 10 times fewer credits.
This one I'm really excited about, tabs. It's a new block type that we just released. Sometimes a page has a lot going on, and tabs gives you a new way to organize your content without subpages or a mile-long scroll.
So next up, we've got skills. If you find yourself typing the same AI prompt over and over, skills are a way to save that as a reusable command. For me, one skill I like is turn this into a team update, which knows my writing style.
My favorite skill is do my job, make no mistakes.
Whatever your favorite skill is, you can find it either in the chat by mentioning it, or also by highlighting text, and you'll find that in the text menu. So that was a lot, but we're not done yet. We have a few more that we're going to share in a lightning round, which is updates in one sentence or less.
First up, image generation lets you generate images, charts, diagrams, and slides right inside your docs.
New Salesforce and Box AI connectors are here.
Pages now load 28% faster.
Our API now lets you pull full transcripts and summaries from your AI meeting notes.
Custom agents can now send messages in private Slack channels that you give them access to.
Archive lets you hide pages and stale content from search and navigation without deleting them.
And presentation mode.
This was actually all done in presentation mode. I'm going to exit out of it right here. And this is just a normal Notion page.
And that was 3.4.
If you want to keep up with our releases, you can do so on our releases page, also on social. See you next time.